And leaving Mercia with the sun on my back, I take this ancient path, a scar cut from sea to sea into 9th century ideology. This sleeping giant's weary spine threads the border of time. It ebbs and flows in discourse, in folklore, shifting in ways only a river would know. And taking a life of its own, gives up its ghost to those splitting hairs, splitting the difference of the past. I'm minding the Anglo-Saxon gaps and crossing you in style, this low horizon as wide as my smile. Neither here nor there, with the wind in my sails, keeping one foot in England and one foot in Wales.